Oh, hey y'all. Good morning and welcome to another video where today I'm going to be doing a pre-vacation cleanup. And as you guys see from my shirt, Dear Parents Tag You're It, I have been enjoying my summer thus far without any of the kids. I still get, like check-ins of the kids because they're at summer school. I just choose to never do summer school because it would run into me having a break. It would run into me not, being able to plan my vacation the way I want to. And then I would be stuck with either going on vacation the week before I go back, or basically as soon as we get out, or right around 4th of July. So I choose to never do summer school. And on top of that, I got my own kids. So I'm going to be cleaning the entire house today because we literally leave for vacation in 2 days. And I just want to get this whole house together so that I don't have to worry about coming back home to do absolutely nothing but laundry. This is the vacuum cleaner that I got off of Amazon. I will have it linked in my description box down below. The thing that I love about this vacuum when cleaning is the simple fact that I can go from one room to another with the amount of extension cord that this vacuum has. And of course, it's very lightweight. It's easy to travel along with you, and it's also easy to dump and wrap up when you are done. If you're watching this video and you like it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and also consider hitting the subscription button down below. Honestly, since downgrading to this little desk here that you guys see, I have found myself just stacking stuff on top of it because I'm finding myself not sitting at it, but I'm hoping to sit more at it once we come back from vacation, where everything will be more organized and things will be put up. And of course, I'll be able to come back and edit here. I have a lot of crafts that I need to go through and see about, just like putting on my website, selling and things like that. But in today's video, all I'm worried about is cleaning. So when I come back from vacation, I will definitely be putting these things on my website, finishing up the boards, and of course, using this area more. I am so glad that I'm taking the time to put away all of the dishes and things that need to be put away. My kitchen is something that I want to be able to come back home to and cook eventually after vacation. And I feel like this is just a great time to get things really done. There's dishes that I tend to just put to the side when washing or putting away when they're dry, and it's just time to really put it away. Stop procrastinating and just really put it away. If you're still here with me, please be sure to give that video a thumbs up and also consider hitting the subscription button down below. On this channel, I do a lot of great things like crafts and cooking and baking, lifestyle vlogs, grocery hauls, and things like that. So I would love to have you here on my channel. I love to use Miss Meyers when washing my dishes. And I also add in some bleach. That also just helps to break away like the suds and the germs and everything else from the dishes that have been used. So we definitely have been trying to do plastic more where we can just throw it away. And then of course, like I said, it's time to get this stuff put up and put away. Nobody wants to come back home to putting dishes away. I definitely want to start off with getting all the laundry taken care of in the home. Anything that needed to be washed from the kitchen or anything that needed to be washed from the kids. I just said now is the best time. I'm using the Downy Comfy and Soft Toasted Vanilla little scent beads. Y'all, I can just say you are not going to be disappointed with that. All I know is that I love washing clothes, but when it comes to putting them in the dryer and everything else, I hate it. But also, did you know that when you go on vacation and you're pre-cleaning to get your home in order, you also have to go through clothes so that you get rid of anything that you no longer need and no longer have to come back home to. So I went through Skylar's stuff today and decided to find stuff that needed to go out of the home because she could no longer fit, and I also wanted to get her bed stuff right. So I decided to take all of the sheets and stuff off and get ready to wash them. When you go on a vacation, you want to make sure that you wash your sheets before you leave, because of the simple fact you want to come home to a clean bed. But I have to finish up the laundry first, and I'm just going to keep going back and forth to get those things done. I will also be cleaning my son's sheets and getting him straight as well. As a parent, you know exactly what you want to come back home to with your kids' rooms and the way that they look. So I just decided to take a moment with her and show her how to clean the room the proper way, or the way that I would like it, especially because you have so much stuff and you just need to be able to manage it. So I'm teaching her how to clean things, get it kind of organized, but also just kind of rearrange a few items to make it much better for her. I also want her to be able to just sit down and read at her little area anytime that she would like to. And of course, read books that she likes. So I decided to just kind of make that into a book area along with her Switch and her content creating station. I also needed to take this rug out. I thought that the rug would be a really great idea, but before we go on vacation, it's time to throw it in the trash. This rug collects so much dirt. It collects so much like lint and everything else that it just got old to keep vacuuming a rug that was no longer needed to be kept. So of course I just vacuumed every nook and cranny of the room, moved some things around, and made it look even better. And this is something that she just has to keep up with even when we do come back.
On a Wednesday night at the same old spot, spending every dollar I got. 2, 3 shots won't leave one dry, and a jukebox on lock. She just wanna party all night. We be two-stepping in the back of the dive. I've been down and Jack all night, tending to my keys cause they know I can't drive. On up north with a rosé wine, stars ain't hard to find. Bottle of the best and you by my side, that's my peace of mind. Damn, we been on the go all day, she just wanna roll with me. From the bar to the stool all night, just you and I, two-stepping in a dive bar. Two-stepping in a dive bar. Two-stepping in a dive bar. Two-stepping.
And just like that, the room is done. Hopefully she can keep up with it. But next I need to get ready to put his stuff into the dryer so that gets at least 2 rounds of heat in order to put it back on his bed. And so I'm using the Gain sheets. I really don't care like what detergent and sheets I use. I just know I want, my stuff to smell fresh at all times. So with that being said, I got to get all the laundry done so that I can sit down and just fold and bust these clothes down so that everybody can get these put away like today.
To the stool all night, just you and I, two-stepping in a dive bar. Two-stepping in a dive bar. Two-stepping in a dive bar. I hope you find someone. I hope you find a love. Someone who don't need much. Wind me up, lucky I got my love. Born up north with a rosé wine, stars ain't hard to find. Bottle of the best and you by my side, that's my peace of mind. Damn, we been on the go all day, she just wanna roll with me. From the bar to the stool all night, just you and I, two-stepping in a dive bar. Two-stepping in a dive bar.
This room could definitely benefit from some tidying up as far as like closing the dresser, cleaning on top of the dresser, and him going through his toys one more time. But as long as I get the sheets washed for today, that's all that was like in my initial plan. Cleaning up his room is something that, like he can keep his room clean better than she can. And unfortunately, he makes up the bed every day, and so does she. And I love the fact that they do that. And I love that they, at least try to keep the rooms together. So all in all, like laundry just seemed like it took forever. This is laundry from the week. And of course, who wants to come back home and have to put this away on top of what they're already washing and then having to put away when they come home from their trip? So I'm getting it all done today. If you're still tuned in, thank you so much. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And I really hope that you consider subscribing and staying tuned for other vlogs to come in the future. y'all, so that is the end of this vlog where I wanted to clean up with you all to give you guys some motivation if you guys are going on vacation, or if you guys are packing, or if you guys just need help cleaning up around the house. This was the video for you. If you've enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up to let YouTube know that you liked it, but also so that I know that you like this type of content. And of course, I will be doing a clean with me as we come back from vacation, because I'm sure that we're gonna have to bring all of this stuff back and unpack it. So I'll catch you guys in the next video.